Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by breaking the bread into small pieces so moisture leaves evenly. You want about 1/2 1-inch cubes. Once torn, spread in a single layer on a baking sheet or dehydrator tray to maximize airflow. Preheat oven to 250 degrees or set dehydrator to 125 degrees. Low, steady heat prevents toasting and preserves flavor. Make sure to check after 15 minutes and rotate trays. This reduces hot spots and speeds even drying, so you don't need to burn. Once the bread is bone dry and cool, this matters because warm crumbs clump. You move to grinding. You pulse short bursts in a food processor to control texture. Pulse more for fine crumbs and fewer for coarse or panko style. Make sure to shake or tap the processor between pulses so large pieces fall to the blade. Afterward, sift the crumbs through a mesh to separate fines from coarser bits. This gives you two useful textures and explains why you should never overprocess in one go. You finish by cooling crumbs fully to room temperature. Moisture trapped by warmth causes mold. Then pack into an airtight jar or freezer bag, squeeze out excess air, and label with the date so you use the oldest first. For long life, store in the freezer up to 12 months or refrigerate and use within about 6 months because fats can go stale. If you notice clumping or chewiness, re-dry the crumbs briefly at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes, cool, and repackage. This fixes excess moisture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.